Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video guys. It's a Thursday and we know ukuthi tonight's episode guys, I feel like from this point, yay guys, ukuthi ngimilile nje because I'm just wondering what's the dynamic of this family going to be like now that Umselegu is not well, or now that they know, because niyazi guys ukuthi mekegula umuntu, like things are just not the same. You can't speak anyhow, you can't do things anyhow because you're just afraid of triggering them. But on tonight's episode, one of the things we're going to be seeing, uMacele looks like she steps up to her role as uMamkhulu and she calls a family meeting with the wives. And she says to the wives, or what we see in the trailer, she says ukuthi sonke la sicontributile ukuthi ubabakhe abesesibhedlela. Guys, I'm just looking at Mbali and I'm like, Mbali, what's your comment on this? Because Yama's Mbali, she's probably in her head, she's probably like, I'm stressing me now. Like, he's the one stressing me. And you can see what tense, guys. This is going to be so interesting to see, guys, because another thing, I'm curious to see. Okay, uMacele, I know, guys, we as fela ngendoda yakhe, she's not going to be okay. Umayeni, it's going to be interesting to see because we know Umayeni, she's not staying in Mzumbe. Her and Umusa literally looks like their marriage is falling apart. And the scary part, it looks like Umusa, he hasn't been interested in mending things. He's at that point with Umayeni, if we are hamba, we are hamba. So I'm interested to see with him. What's their relationship gonna be like now that he's not well? Then uMakhumalo, guys, we know what uMakhumalo saying she tries and be there for, but I feel like all of these wives, like the situation, like the sickness, as Mbali said, this sickness ifike ngesikhathi wrong, because like kuthensi already guys, kusanda kufika number 5, Musa ugula kanjani? Kwavela kwagula uMusa guys, asanda kufika number 5. Hi bo guys, kwaze kwabuhlungu. But the question is guys, do you really feel ukuthi these wives really contributed to stress sika Musa? Or do you feel ukuthi uyazilandela stress? Or hey guys, I can't wait for tonight's episode. But anyway, you tell me your thoughts on what uMacele is saying ukuthi all of these wives, and she's adding herself, she's not including herself, have contributed to stress that uMusa, or have contributed to why uMusa's in the hospital, you guys. Let's park it right there because I know tonight the Twitter streets are going to be divided over this matter, you guys. Because Umselegu, he does have fans and people who defend him that feel with Umselegu, he's been doing too much for these wives. Ababongi yin. Guys, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.